Ok, vamos a hacer el video de la letra A. Alright, sir, I'm going to start from top to bottom. Okay, I'm going to start with my 5 clearance lights. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and proper color amber. Next, my weather seal. It is properly mounted and secure, no cuts, no bubbles, is in good conditions. Next, my windshield. It is properly mounted and secure, is not cracked, not broken, no illegal stickers. Next, my 2 windshield wipers. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, bent, or broken. Next, my door mirrors. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, good conditions. Next, my hood and grille. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and no trash in my grille. Next, my signal lights, also emergency lights and reflectors, left and right. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and proper color amber. Next, my headlights, and also low beam and high beams, left and right. They are properly mounted secure, not cracked, not broken, and proper clear color. Next, my front bumper. It is properly mounted and secure, is not cracked, not broken, and my nuts and bolts present and tight. Next, my license plate. It is properly mounted and secure, is not cracked, is not broken, nuts and bolts present and tight, and I know it's up to date because my registration sticker is up to date. Next, I'm going to check leaks. No motor oil leaks, no transmission leaks, no coolant leaks, no leaks. Next, the motor. Next, the engine. Abres por acá primero. Como vamos a comenzar de aquel lado, lo dejas al último. Está abierto. Next, my washer fluid container. It is properly mounted and secure, is not cracked, not broken, no leaks. My cap is present and tight, and I have to make sure it's full to correct level. Next, my air filter is properly mounted and secure, no cracked, no broken, not in bolt, present and tight, is in good conditions. Next, my exhaust pipe and turbo. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and no leaks. Next, my belt driven alternator is properly mounted and secure, is not cracked, is not broken. My 2 cables are well connected and they are in good conditions, and my belt is in good conditions, no cuts, no fried, no dry rot, and I have to make sure it's no more than 3/4 of an inch a plate. It's good. Next, my coolant container is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, no leaks. Cap is present and tight, and I make sure it's full to correct level. Next, my coolant hose is properly mounted and secure, no cuts, no bubbles, and no leaks. And this hose connect to my belt driven water pump. It's properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and it's not leaking. Next, my frame in this side is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, no illegal welds. Okay, my suspension system, brake system, my tire, and my ring. I'm going to explain the other side. Y te mueves para acá. Okay, next, My radiator is properly mounted and secure. It's not cracked, not broken, no leaks. And my radiator hoses, they are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, no cuts, no bubbles, and no leaks. Next is my fan. My fan is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, is complete, is in good conditions. Next is my gear-driven air compressor. It's properly mounted and secure, it's not cracked, not broken, it's not leaking, and all my nuts and bolts present and tight. Next is my motor oil dipstick and my transmission oil dipstick. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, good conditions. To check the motor oil, I take the stick out, clean, put in again, take out, and make sure it's full to correct level. To check transmission oil is the same way, but with the motor running. Okay, next is my steering system. Ahora vamos al sistema de dirección. This is my steering oil container. It's properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, no leaks. My cap is present and tight, and I have to make sure it's full to correct level. Next, my steering hoses. They are properly mounted and secure, no cuts, no bubbles, and no leaks. And this hose connect to my gear-driven steering pump. It's properly mounted and secure, it's not cracked, it's not broken, and it's not leaking. Next is my steering column and my U-joint. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and I make sure it's no more than 1 inch applied. Next is my steering gearbox. It's properly mounted and secure, it's not cracked, it's not broken, and it's not leaking, and my nuts and bolts present and tight. Next, my 5-piece steering linkage. This is my pitman arm, and this is my drag link, and this is my up control arm, my low control arm, and my tie rod. These 5 pieces are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and my castle nut and quarter pin present and tight. Next, suspension system. My spring mount and spring hangers, one in the front, one in the back. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and nuts and bolts present and tight. Next, my leaf springs. My leaf springs, they are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken. They are in good conditions. Next, my 2 U-bolts. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and my U-bolt nuts present and tight. Next is my front axle. It is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken. It's in good conditions. Next is my shock absorber and shock absorber mounts. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, nuts and bolts present and tight, and it's not leaking. And next is the frame in this side. It's properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and no illegal welds. Next is my brake system. My air hose is properly mounted and secure, no cuts, no bubbles, and it's not leaking. Next is my ABS line, properly mounted and secure, no crack, no broken, it's in good conditions. Next, my brake chamber. Brake chamber is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and it's not leaking. Next is my push rod and my slack adjuster. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken. My pin is present, and I have to make sure there is no more than 1 inch of play when brake release. Next is my brake drum. Is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, is in good conditions. Next, my brake shoe. My brake shoe is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and I have to measure is no less than 1/4 of an inch of brake material and no oil and grease. Next, my inside rim is in good conditions, no crack, no broken, no illegal weld. Next is my tire. My three sides of the tire, the inside wall, the outside wall, and the front is in good conditions, no cuts, no bubbles, and no leaks. It's in good condition. My front tire only original, no recap, and the tread depth I have to measure is no less than 432 seconds, and I have to measure is good inflator according to manufacturer specification. It's good. I check the air and the steam valve, and it's properly mounted, secure, no crack, no broken, no leaks. Next, my outside rim is properly mounted and secure, no crack, no broken, no illegal welds. Next, my lug nuts. They are properly mounted and secure, no crack, no broken, and no rust indicating looseness. They are in good conditions. Next, my hub and seal. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, no leaks. And my nuts and bolts present and tight. Ahí termina la A. Ya tú le dices next. Coupling system. Okay, ya te vas al sistema de coupling. De una vez te lo voy a grabar acá. Next, coupling system. I have good space between tractor and trailer, more than 3 feet. It's good. Next, my air hoses. Blue is service and red emergency. They are properly mounted and secure, no cuts, no bubbles, and no leaks. Next, my two glad hands. They are properly connected and they are in good conditions, no crack, not broken. Seal inside is in good condition, no leaks. Next, my electrical cable is properly mounted and secure, no crack, no broken. And my air hoses and electrical cable, they cannot touch the frame. I have good space. Next is my platform and my fifth wheel base. They are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, they're not broken, and all my nuts and bolts are present and tight. They are in good conditions. Next, my release handle is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and is in locked position. Next, my locking pins, and they are properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and they are in good conditions. Locking pin, holding pin, they are in good conditions. Next, my fifth wheel. My fifth wheel is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken. It's in good conditions. Next is the apron plate. Is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken. It's in good conditions. I have to measure that in between apron plate and fifth wheel, no space, no gap, and it's well greased. Next, kingpin and locking jack. Next, my kingpin is properly mounted and secure. It's not cracked, not broken, no bend. It's in good conditions. Next, my locking jaw. Locking jaws is properly mounted and secure, not cracked, not broken, and it's locking good my kingpin. Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am. I finished outside. Let's go to do inspection inside.